Unemployment hits different when you're a man. My uncle was a seaman. Back in the day, he was the provider, every paycheck diretso sa asawa, sa mga anak, pati na rin sa mga kamag-anak na laging may hingi. Hindi siya nagreklamo. Ganun talaga, sabi niya. Tayong mga lalaki, tagabigay. Years passed. Work took its toll. He had a stroke. His body failed him, but the real damage, it came after. His wife left, just like that. Iniwan siyang baldado, walang trabaho, at may 4 na anak na umaasa sa kanya. Yung mga dating nakikinabang sa pera niya, biglang di na sumasagot sa tawag. Ngayon, he's struggling to find work. Pero sino bang kukuha sa isang lalaking may sakit? Sa mundo natin, pag lalaki ka at unemployed, you're not just broke, you're useless. Hindi ka na provider, kaya wala ka ng silbi. Depression ate him alive. He used to be the strong one, the dependable one. Ngayon, he's just another broken man society doesn't care about. Ganun pala yun. Pag ikaw ang nagbibigay, everybody loves you. Pero pag wala ka nang maibigay, nobody stays.